is one that I wrote a couple years ago. My good friend Cam Wheaton, to my right over here. He actually just put this song out end of last week on a EP called Rough Around the Edges. So I'm very glad as a songwriter to have my friends putting out songs of mine. Shut me down. Said she was going home with her boyfriend. In hell, I can't blame her. Lord knows I can't hate her. She's married, she's better than me. God will save her. Didn't give a damn again. Just some old boy with a guitar, ain't the world got another than. And yeah, I can't blame him. Lord knows I can't. I'm a strange old soul in a little heaven where the night is with the day. When all they say will come. They don't come through anymore. Well, we'll go years ago when I'm home. That crazy thing, it's just been one of those days when I have to hit your eye. Train.